Camera number 322 of 365 is the Agfa ISO Rapid IF. A series of these cameras were produced by Agfa, very similar to the Kodak Instamatic type cameras, boxy, very light and very simple to use. So let's just look at a couple of the features here. The ISONAR 1.8 lens. I'm not sure what the focal length is. And then we have a couple of controls. We control, looks like aperture, f8, f11, f16. You can see those there. And on the other side, looks like we have shutter speeds that can take in sunny, and then we have a cloudy stroke flash. So we wind our film on manually. So that's the flash stroke cloudy, and then that's the, yeah, so there is definitely a faster shutter speed there. So two shutter speeds, I'm sure you can find online. And then we have a little button here for our flash cube, or which presumably plugs in there. Now I say there's no batteries required. There are on the back bottom. There are batteries actually for the flash, and you just simply undo that. I'm not quite sure what the battery is. You'd have to look that up online, but certainly I wouldn't use it anyway because obviously I don't have any flash bulbs for it. But just a correction there is actually provision on the base there to insert batteries for the flash unit. Very, very interesting look, very retro look. We have our tripod mount, and then a little on the back, our window, and a little scale to guide us to choosing our shutter speed, stroke, aperture. And then to put film in, we undo the door by opening the latch here. Now, interestingly, it takes regular 35mm film, but in these what are called rapid cassettes. So the idea is that you fill these canisters with film and then put one either side in a normal fashion as you would an ordinary cartridge, with a leader out here, and then the sprockets drive the film from right to left. That is correct, yeah, right from right to left. And then you just simply take the cassette out, send it away, and now unfortunately I don't have two cassettes. So what I elected to do was a very basic method, just literally put the film in. So what I did was, this is some spare film, I literally put a little bit of extra film in one side, put the film in there, and then close the door. And it did seem to work. There we go. I can just kind of simulate what it does. That's it. You can see that really very well. Right there. No, I don't think you can you? There we go. And it winds on. So we have our film counter here, and if the door was closed, let's close the door, it will wind on until it reaches 1. I can't remember how many exposures you get. Is it 12 exposures or some, maybe a bit more than that? And then you take your film out. So I had to do that obviously in the changing bag, take this film out, and there we go. The negatives, which I haven't actually scanned yet, they are due to be scanned, come out like this, square, presumably 24 by 24. They compare with regular 35mm there. Whether I can show that, there we go. Whether you can see that very well. There you go. So certainly got some images, not quite sure, as I say, I've got to scan them. There's definitely one there of a tree. See how they come out. So that's a very quick overview of the Agfa ISO AF. And that has been camera number 322 of 365.